Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating your head profile because spatial audio maps to your anatomy. Put on neutral, closed-back headphones, sit in a quiet room, and open the scan utility. Move the phone or camera slowly around your head at roughly 1 meter distance, pausing at each 45 degrees rotation. This gives accurate ear and pinna geometry. Once done, confirm the HRTF export and name the file. Make sure to keep ambient noise low. This improves capture fidelity and reduces artifacts later. Next, import your HRTF into the playback engine or system spatial audio setting so the DSP uses your profile. You'll run a calibration sweep, play pink noise from 20Hz to 20kHz, and trim channel gain by up to plus or minus 3 dB to balance loudness. Then use short test tracks that emphasize front, back, and elevation cues. Listen for phantom images and distance. If sounds appear off-axis, tweak the yaw/pitch offsets in the app. This step aligns virtual sources to your perceived headspace. To finish, lock the personalized profile in the system and enable it across your playback apps so every source uses the same HRTF. Test with real-world content, single-voice dialogue, ambisonic scenes, and binaural mixes to confirm localization and distance. If a mismatch occurs, rescan your ears and face. Small pose differences matter, or verify microphone calibration and re-import the HRTF. If persistent errors appear, clear the DSP cache and repeat calibration. That usually solves timing or filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.